family na nandito.
What I love about this film, it really gives so much importance to the people we love. And that doesn't necessarily mean kailangan bloodline kayo. Family could be anyone. And I do believe that each and every one of us here can relate to this film because it talks so much about love. And love is a universal topic that everyone can relate to. So, madami kayong mababaon dito. Ang dami talaga, ang dami ng emosyon na mararamdaman. Some of these emotions, mga hindi nyo pa na nararanasan or nararamdaman before, but it
Bakit blooming ka ngayon, Belinda?
Grabe naman!
Parang may bisita ka sa kabila.
Going back. Going back, ayun.
She said, you know, it's a universal topic. Love is a universal topic. But what we can be proud about is the sense of family. Sense of family kasi makikita mo talaga dito how nag-arise yung conflict, how we were able to resolve that. As much as it's a sensitive topic, basta magdala na lang kayo. Meron ba kayo mga tissue?
Prepared sila.
Kasi I'm so scared to watch it because, you know, it hits close to home. Pero syempre, pelikula lang po ito. Pero masasabi namin talaga na marami kayo, hindi lang kapupulutang aral, kumbaga different emotions na mararamdaman all throughout the film. At pinagandaan talaga ng Star Cinema. They wrote this.
Sa front row, hi po, Carlos. Okay, yun lang. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Mga taga-piti. Hi!
Hi there.
Okay,
Family.